सो हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। दिस इज गुरसी सिंह और आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं इनर इंजीनियरिंग ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम की। इस वीडियो में बेसिकली मैं अपने खुद के एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में ज़्यादा बताऊंगा कि बिकॉज आई वुड लाइक टू गो डीपर इनटू इनर इंजीनियरिंग एंड हाउ टू गेट इनर इंजीनियरिंग कोर्स एंड प्राइसिंग एंड स्टफ इन अपकमिंग वीडियोज। बट आज की वीडियो में इट्स बेसिकली मोर अबाउट व्हाट माय एक्सपीरियंस वाज। सो अगर आप लोग मेरे को इंस्टाग्राम या किसी भी सोशल मीडिया पर फॉलो करते हो, आप में से काफ़ी लोगों को पता होगा दैट आई हैव कंप्लीटेड इनर इंजीनियरिंग ऑनलाइन विद सदगुरु, और वो भी इसी हफ्ते के। सो इट्स फेयरली न्यू। आई एम थिंकिंग दैट आई विल मेक अनदर वीडियो आफ्टर 6 months टू सी will it like still sustain or not, but abhi I would just like to just give the current experience of inner engineering. So सबसे पहले हम बात कर लेते हैं इनर इंजीनियरिंग है क्या चीज़। सो इनर इंजीनियरिंग ऑनलाइन, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द टोटल इनर इंजीनियरिंग और बाकी इनर इंजीनियरिंग कोर्सेज, बट आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस ऑनलाइन कोर्स। सो इसमें यू गेट 7 videos, different 7 videos, approximately 90 minutes each, and in videos में you basically see Sadhguru talking about life and stuff. Now if you ask me that YouTube वीडियो सदगुरु की या Facebook वीडियो सदगुरु की और इनर इंजीनियरिंग में क्या डिफरेंस है, I would say there is a massive difference. जो आपको YouTube पर दिखता है, it's just like an introduction to life. So you know, जो YouTube पर है it is very helpful in lots of ways, but जो YouTube पर है it is not entirely what there is to explore. So inner engineering में you go more deeper, you go deeper into life, you know. So inner engineering online I would say is अच्छा, अगर आप inner engineering करते भी हैं तो भी उसमें सबसे पहले आपको बताया जाता है this is not a moral, this is not an ethic that they are teaching us, this is just a process of subtle transformation. So this is basically I have experienced it, and I'm sure जितने लोगों ने किया है अभी तक इनर इंजीनियरिंग ऑनलाइन, बिकॉज लुक, मैंने खुद इनर इंजीनियरिंग ऑनलाइन करने से पहले 100 रिव्यूज देखे होंगे, उसके बाद मैंने खुद ये स्टेप लिया था. सो डेफिनेटली लाइक दिस इज अ प्रोग्राम दैट आई थिंक एवरीवन शुड डू to explore the bliss, to explore the happiness in yourself. I think this is very necessary. This program is extremely necessary. Now if I just keep अगर मैं सिर्फ बोली जाऊँ, मतलब इनर इंजीनियरिंग का छाया करी जाऊँ, तो फिर पूरी वीडियो इसी में निकल जाएगी. बट सबसे पहले आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू गिव अ नॉर्मल इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट इनर इंजीनियरिंग, एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई एम केपेबल इनफ टू बताने के लिए कि मैं आप क्या इनर इंजीनियरिंग है क्या चीज़. So I will play Sadhguru's clip. It's only a minute long, so watch that video and I will see you guys after the clip.
If you want to enjoy success, before you engineer situations, you must engineer yourself. If you are not well engineered, which simply means you are not the way you want to be, you are not as joyful as you want to be, you are not as peaceful as you want to be, you are not as loving as you want to be, you are not as healthy as you want to be. When this is the case, if you engineer the situations around you, it will all be haphazard. You will create something that will harass you. You will create something that you yourself will suffer. So it's extremely important, before you engineer the situations in which you exist, first engineer yourself. Inner engineering, this is the most vital and first step that everybody needs to take.
So I hope कि आप लोगों को अब इनर इंजीनियरिंग स्पेशली ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम के ऊपर आपको कुछ इंट्रोडक्शन मिल गई होगी थ्रू सदगुरु's वंडरफुल वे ऑफ एक्सप्लेनिंग. तो द बेस्ट थिंग इज इनर इंजीनियरिंग अभी 50% ऑफ पर है 6th of December 2020 तक. I don't know if they will extend this offer again, because they have been kept on extending this offer since I think April this year. So काफ़ी देर से एक्सटेंड हो रहा है. So बिकॉज अभी कोविड के सारे लॉकडाउन खुल चुके हैं ज़्यादातर. आई नो काफ़ी पार्ट्स में अभी भी लॉकडाउन हैं और चल रहे हैं, बट आई स्टिल डोंट नो अगर वो फिर से अगले साल तक एक्सटेंड करेंगे इस प्रोग्राम को, लाइक 50% डिस्काउंट को कि नहीं. सो आई वुड से just stop, and 50% off is not a bad discount. I would say just grab it. जब तक है आपके पास option, why not like take it, you know. So 6 December 2020 तक you have this option of buying it for 50%. I will put all the links about Inner Engineering online below in the description box, so obviously you can go explore and read through what that website says as well. अब चलिए अब बात करते हैं मेरे खुद के एक्सपीरियंस की. What I have realized through this program is कि हम फालतू का टाइम बहुत वेस्ट करते हैं बाहर अपनी हैप्पीनेस ढूंढने के लिए, बट वी नेवर इवन थिंक कि हैप्पीनेस इज ऑलवेज इनसाइड अस, यू नो. अच्छा, सो अभी मेरी जो बातें हैं that might be sounding very philosophical and stuff, but once you do it yourself you will see the difference in you. That's why I'm saying please do it. It will bring changes to your life, if not energy wise, you know, because energy wise is another separate program which is completion of inner engineering. So चलिए अब हम inner engineering की बात कर रहे हैं तो मैं आपको इतना बता देता हूँ कि there are lots of other courses. Now most of them are in-person courses, so you have to go to a venue and then there will be teachers, either teachers or Sadhguru himself, and then at the end they will initiate you in a process called Shambhavi Mahamudra. We will talk about these practices and stuff in upcoming videos again, but that's more of energy. But this program, specifically online program, I think for now, especially in these, you know, COVID के era में, inner engineering online can bring massive changes into your lifestyle. So this will definitely give you a better perception about life, a better perception to live your life. And I would not go into details about everything because I do not want to set any expectations, because the thing is सबका experience different होता है, you know. So अगर मैं एक certain expectation set करूँ and then it would not like relate to your circumstances, then it's a whole different thing. So I don't want to set any expectations, but definitely do this program. It is a life transformation program. Yeah, like just do it. Okay. So inner engineering, definitely for me it has given me a much better perspective on life. It has definitely helped me get through the situations that I was struggling to from last few months. Now I know if my family is watching they would be like क्या हुआ क्या तेरे को, but you know there are certain things, everyone goes through them. So definitely it has helped me a lot. I have been I can say I've been a much better person since last 2 weeks now. So yeah, I think this was an amazing program, and I think I'm still waiting for inner engineering completion program, but this was definitely one of the best things I have done in my life, and I would want कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इसको करें. Now just wait for the next coming video because I will talk about all the details in inner engineering. But just to give you a little detail, not like detail, but like just to give you a little sneak peek, I did cry on the last episode of inner engineering at the end. Now why I cried you will see when you do your inner engineering online yourself, but definitely it was the best. I think just way में सदगुरु आपको लाइफ के पर्सपेक्टिव्स के बारे में बता रहे हैं, जिस वे में he explains all the time, sound. I think I'm giving you lots of details which I should not, so I will not go ahead with that. But just the way he explains everything is just something to another dimension, definitely. And yeah, that was it. I think video already काफी लंबी हो गई है, so I will just stop right here. अगर if you think this video में अगर मैंने सिर्फ कुछ भी फालतू चीज़ें बोली हैं, so I'm sorry for that, but you know I don't want to set any expectations as well, but I also want you guys to try it yourself, so just please do it. I think that's all I can say. you will see the difference yourself. So thank you. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई, नहीं भी आई तो लाइक डिसलाइक जो करना करो, सब्सक्राइब करना है तो I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and yeah, wait for next video. Next video में I will definitely next video will not be like this video. Next video में I will give you proper details on your inner engineering details as such, like how to register for inner engineering, what are the costs, is it worth it. I mean, it is worth it, definitely it is worth it, you should do it. And yeah, that is it. I think thank you for watching. अगर आपने यहाँ तक मेरी बकवास सुनी है उसके लिए I really thank you. And yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video, probably coming out within a week or less. So yeah, goodbye and stay happy.